Hey again, guys. This is the same day, guys. I made a video earlier today. So they're ripping up more concrete in the backyard, so that's what that banging is. So yeah. And I have literally no idea where my little bro went. My breakfast is down there. Yeah, on toast. But yeah. This is gonna be a, let's just say, loud day. So yeah, this is gonna be a loud, very loud day. So hope you guys loud. Yeah. So I guess I better eat my food while it's quite loud. And yeah, I guess I'll watch on my TV because I literally had that TV. I don't know why. It was my big brother's TV, but it was originally my TV. I don't know. I hope this quiet, loud day goes great. Okay, guys, sorry. Okay. Well, and also there's that wheel banging too. It's like, I think they're putting concrete in the back of their car. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, okay, bye. I don't know why I made this video again. I just wanted to, because again, I've been very, very bored. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Bye.